Hello guys, in this video we will know what is TCP and what is UDP. So let's begin. Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), a connection-oriented communications protocol that facilitates the exchange of messages between computing devices in a network. It is the most common protocol in networks that use the Internet Protocol (IP). Together they can sometimes refer to as TCP or IP. TCP takes messages from an application or server and divides them into packets, which can then be forwarded by the devices in the network, switches, routers, or security gateways to the destination. TCP numbers each packet and reassembles them prior to handing them off to the application or server recipient. Because it is connection oriented, it ensures a connection is established and maintained until the exchange between the application or server sending and receiving the message is complete. For example, when an email using the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP) is sent from an email server, the TCP layer in that server will divide the message up into multiple packets, number them, and then forward them to the IP layer for transport. At the IP layer, each packet will be transported to the destination email server. While each packet is going to the same place, the route they take to get there may be different. When it arrives, the IP layer hands it back to the TCP layer, which reassembles the packets into the message and hands it to the email application, where it shows up in the inbox. What is UDP? In computer networking, the User Datagram Protocol (UDP) is one of the core members of the Internet Protocol suite. The protocol was designed by David P. Reed in 1980 and formally defined in RFC 768. With UDP, computer applications can send messages to other hosts on an Internet Protocol network. Prior communications are not required in order to set up communication channels or data paths. UDP uses a simple connectionless communication model with a minimum of protocol mechanisms. UDP provides checksums for data integrity and port numbers for addressing different functions at the source and destination of the datagram. It has no handshaking dialogues and thus exposes the user's program to any unreliability of the underlying network. There is no guarantee of delivery, ordering, or duplicate protection. If error correction facilities are needed at the network interface level, an application may use Transmission Control Protocol or TCP or Stream Control Transmission Protocol (SCTP), which are designed for this purpose. UDP avoids the overheat of such processing in the protocol stack. Time-sensitive applications often use UDP because dropping packets is preferable to waiting for packets delayed due to retransmission, which may not be an option in a real-time system. That's all for today. Hope you guys will be benefited by this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.